Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Cristina La Paz Madidis, 46 years of age, separated. I have one daughter and she is 21 years old. My work experience, I started to work in Singapore from 2007 to 2025. My first employer is taking care elderly. I finished 2 contracts from 2007 to 2009. The second one, 2009 to 2015, I look after a newborn baby until he's 6 years old. And then another one is also taking care a newborn baby and kids from 2015 to 2017. And then the last one from 2021 to 2025, I look after an elderly and I work for them for 4 years and I finish all the contract. But then in Hong Kong, I worked there from 2018 to 2021 and I take care of 8 years old girl. So all prospective employers, please give me a chance to be part of your family. I will look after and take good care of your family and I will love them as my own family. Hoping that you will give me a chance, ma'am and sir. Thank you so much and have a nice day.